Well, in this video, we will learn how to add date picker. Created date picker component file, and we'll just return the empty tag. Now, next part is we will import this component into our home page. So let's index.js, and what are importing that component so we can test like the component is working, and then we will continue on this. Okay, so now we have imported that component. First test it out, and then we will do all the different steps through. Now our next could add date picker on our app. The first one, for the first option, is we could just search for the npm package, and then we will just utilize that functionality. Or second option is we could create a custom component, and then we utilize that one. So we will try both, and we will. So this is the DateTime Picker. We already installed the library npm package, so now we will just import it. The first thing we will import is import React, also the use state. All right, now we will import. We could just use this one, so we do. Okay, so we already have this. Now we could return date time, and we would see how it looks, and then we would use the features and other customizations and appearance later on. Component is coming through. Though there is no styling, we could easily customize some basic styling, so it will look, which we will add as well. So we will add appearance none, shadow, and border. So that's it. The default styling, which we need to import. So we will import, add some basic layout changes. Add width, and we need to add the value as well. That is so if we check out here, the value we need to add. I'm adding, then here we can add the value. For now we are just adding new value, and on change could use the use date, and then we will just apply the change. So here is the thing, we could add here the calendar icon. We need to add the svg page where it will give us some icon, and we can say calendar. We will add here. We need to change formatting to make it work. So the calendar is here, we need to move it here. So we added some CSS for our app, and we could just like click, and you can, we'll go for the second option. And the second option is we could just use the HTML tag, which is available for HTML5 tag, similar functionality, but that would be just the HTML, and then we have to customize as per our requirement. Date picker, which we created before, the same component, and created new component file. So now we have date picker HTML, and we can first import that, and we will see if it's working or not, and then we will just add the tag. So we need to first import the component. So we have already here, and we will create date picker. Yes, we have it here. Check the DateTime local, so it will provide the date picker by default. Is you can just copy paste this one and file itself. We need to definitely add more CSS and everything, but for now I would just use it as is. Okay, we need to provide some CSS here, and we will do that. Remove the label, and we will go here and just add some classes. Basically I'm just adding the very basic CSS. It's not much, check like how it looks, and then we will just go ahead and modify everything. Okay, and we will add let's check. So this is the default one. We can change the, we need to, yes, the calendar is, so we will just provide the flex layout and it looks side by side. Both the options, one is like we tried the optimal npm package, and the other one is like we just used the plain HTML5 datetime tag and tried that way as well. I would recommend to use the HTML5 tag, but if you have specific requirement, you should use the npm package. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.